Yeah. So we will be uh, just wait for a minute. So if you will be having any doubt in between in between the question paper, right, in between solving the question paper, so we will discuss it and then try to opt out the correct answer, right? So just I'm just going to start the mock test, right? It will be online, so you have to answer me like we will start with the mock test too. Am I audible to you, Pallavi? Yes, please respond yes or no so that we will be starting it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here you have to understand the guideline also that the question paper contains three sections A, B, and C. So in the section A, there are 24 questions and you have to attempt only 20 questions. And in the section B, there are 24 questions and you have to attempt only 20 questions from this. So there is a map section from question number 25 to 29 and it is compulsory to attempt. Now we have the section C, which have 12 questions. We have to attempt any 10 questions, right? So here, first part of C section, that is source based. It is having four questions, and you have to attempt all. You have to attempt all these. Now these all the questions carry equal marks, and there is no negative marking. So Pallavi, if you have prepared, so I am starting the test and you have to answer me, right? Are you prepared?
Please wait.
Okay. Yeah. So this is timer is going on. So first question is there on your screen. So what will be the right answer here? That human geography emerges as the special branch of geography in which century? Please don't search over the net and use your own mind while answering this question. I think you will do it best. And yes, can you please tell the answer, Pallavi? What will be the option? Yeah, please respond the option, any option.
Sir, it's B, sir, 16th century.
Okay. So, do you have any idea why we are opting this option? That do you know from the chapter? Have you gone through this? That
Sir, it's from first chapter, sir.
yes, it's from the first chapter, Human Geography, Nature and Scope, and
Yes, sir.
so human geography emerges as the special branch of geography in 16th century, right? So,
Yes, sir.
uh, so moving to the next question, here you have to answer the following questions in sequential order according to population. So, what will be the right option here? Just
So first China, then third पाकिस्तान जाता है कि
I think this is from the India's population, right? India population distribution, if I am
yes,
not
sir.
wrong.
Yes, sir. China, India, Pakistan, then sir A. Sir, China, India, Pakistan, then Bangladesh. Sir, रुकिए
Okay,
रुकिए 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 रुकिए.
okay, and take your time and
Yes, sir. Sir, A is correct.
Okay, so I will mark it now finally.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, then next question is here. Name the settlement which is physically separated from each other into several units bearing a common name. So you have to tell the answer of this. What is that settlement which is which is separated into units called hamlets? I think you know that when we were learning the human settlement, we have gone through that particular settlement uh, which are
सर
separated,
जो
right?
पास पास सेटलमेंट होते हैं सर उसको तो सर क्लस्टर्ड सेटलमेंट बोलते हैं और
Yes,
सर जो
definitely.
डिस्पर्स एंड आइसोलेटेड सर जो
डिस्पर्स सेटलमेंट में आपका आई थिंक
और सर जो घर से मतलब बेयर सर जो डिस्पर्स सेटलमेंट में सर घर से दूर दूर होते हैं और सर
यस
हेमिटेड
डेफिनेटली
सेटल्स में अ, सर मतलब
हेमलेटेड में
सोसाइटी की
आपको
तरह ही होती है सर इसका आंसर होगा सर सेमी क्लस्टर्ड सेटलमेंट्स बिकॉज सर हेमलेटेड सेटलमेंट में सर एक यूनिट की तरह होते हैं सर एक मतलब जैसे एक सोसाइटी की तरह सर उनका घर होता है और सर क्लस्टर में दूर दूर मतलब पास पास होते हैं और सर जो डिस्पर्स में उसमें सर दूर दूर होते हैं और सर सेमी क्लस्टर्ड में मिक्स होते हैं सर क्लस्टर्ड और डिस्पर्स के मतलब सर जो सेपरेटेड भी हो और सर सेवरल यूनिट्स में भी रहते हो
so here the option I have to mark it's semi clustered.
यस सर यस सर
Okay, so here this is the next question, which state has maximum migrants? So what will be the right option here?
migrants
This is from the migration chapter,
yes
right?
sir yes sir.
I think can you just think about this that in which state? I think you have gone through this chapter. So here, in which state there are maximum migrants?
So I think so नहीं
Take your time and try to answer the question within a stipulated time because the timer is going on. It's just like your exam. So if you don't know the answer, you can also tell me to leave this question. But you can take your time and
सर
answer
मेरे
it.
को सर केरला लग रहा है बिकॉज सर इसमें
Yes, what will be the option that you are going to market?
सर इट्स यूपी है सर यूपी बट इधर ऑप्शन में दे नहीं रखा
UP
है
is not in the option. Try it,
सर
you
इट्स
can try it
महाराष्ट्र
and then answer.
यस सर महाराष्ट्र
Okay, so I am marking Maharashtra.
यस सर
Now the next question, which one of the following settlements is usually located near water bodies?
लगून्स और वो है. Which of the following settlement is usually located near water bodies? Near water bodies, ruler, planned, नहीं planned.
So what should be the option that you are going to mark?
So it's from settlement chapter, I think so.
Yes, it is from the settlements chapter. You are right.
Sir, it's rural settlement. सर
Okay.
वाटर बॉडीज
So
इधर कैसे सर वाटर बॉडीज सर मेरे को सर समझ में नहीं आया सर वाटर बॉडीज.
they are asking that which of the following settlements is usually located near the water bodies, right? So like lakes, rivers. So uh, they are asking about. So what's your option here? It's rural. I'm marking it rural. Please confirm, Pallavi. What is the option?
सर वेट सर.
So from this particular test as well, when we attempt when we complete this test, after that we will also be able to find out the weakness that where we are lacking. So and where we have to
सर
just
इट्स
put
अर्बन.
our
सर
efforts.
इट्स अर्बन
Yeah.
पॉपुलेशन.
So urban, I have to mark it.
यस सर यस सर.
Okay. So now this question, a branch of economic geography is.
सर टूरिज्म. सर ज्योग्राफी ऑफ टूरिज्म.
Okay, so I have to mark it finally.
यस सर.
Then this one, which one of the following is not the part of the definition of a town as per the census of India?
सर इट्स फ्रॉम विच चैप्टर.
It's from the um, just wait for a minute. I think it's from the human settlements, or just let me check. Yeah, Pallavi, are you able to find out the answer of this question? Or yes, it is from the human settlements chapter, Pallavi. I've checked it.
सर इट्स फ्रॉम सर ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट नॉट सर ह्यूमन सेटलमेंट सेटलमेंट पे
Okay, this is from the human development, as you are saying. Okay, just wait. So, are you able to answer this question, or I can skip it because your time is going on? Or
सर वेट वेट सर स्किप दिस
okay, now this one Haryali program is related to development of.
वाटरशेड डेवलपमेंट
Okay, and you have to attempt only 20 questions from section A. So,
ओके
so now this question, which sector of the economy takes raw materials from the primary sector and manufactures them into goods? So
सेकेंडरी
it's
no no
second,
no 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 no
which one?
so it's from primary activities.
Are you sure that it is primary? Because I'm not
नो नो
sure.
आई एम सर टेलिंग कि सर ये प्राइमरी एक्टिविटीज चैप्टर में से है.
Yeah, it's from primary activities. And what's the option that you are going to mark? Uh, you are saying secondary in the in starting,
यस
right?
सर.
So can I mark secondary here or primary? What
सर
is the
वेट
definition of secondary activities, Pallavi?
सर जो गुड्स सर जो प्राइमरी एक्टिविटी सर जो गुड्स उनको सर सेकेंडरी में सर वो रॉ मटेरियल्स से सर उनको फिनिशिंग गुड्स में सर लाती है.
यस. सो मतलब जो प्राइमरी एक्टिविटीज से हमें प्रोडक्ट मिलते हैं, हम क्या करते हैं, उन्हें मैन्युफैक्चर मतलब प्रोसेसिंग होती है और उनकी फिनिश्ड प्रोडक्ट्स हम बनाते हैं. तो वो हम सेकेंडरी एक्टिविटीज में करेंगे. सो
यस सर.
तो यहाँ पे पूछा हुआ है, इसमें आपको आंसर पता होना चाहिए, आई थिंक दैट.
यस सर मार्केट सर सेकेंडरी.
यस. Then here the organized cluster of houses that is small in number is termed as.
Dwelling, dwelling of first clusters.
Okay,
Yes,
so
sir,
can I?
dwelling.
Okay, so here the river basin which makes the maximum utilization of groundwater is. So what is that?
Maximum utilization of groundwater.
I think this is from the water resources.
Yes, sir. Sir, it's Ganga.
Okay. So I'm marking Ganga here.
Sir, wait. The river basin which makes.
Yeah. So Pallavi, what will be the
Yes, sir, Ganga.
option? Okay. So I'm marking Ganga here. Now moving to the next, that which of the following types of rural settlements is found in the fertile alluvial plains and northeastern states of India? Right.
Fertile.
Pallavi, from your side, this background voice is coming.
Sir, it's semi-clustered.
Okay, so I'm marking it semi-clustered here. Then we will move to the next one. That the concept which has human beings as center is called. I think you know this.
सर पीछे वाला
It's
सर चेंज हो
from
सकता है सर.
the concept which has human beings as center is called.
No, सर पीछे वाला आंसर सर चेंज हो सकता है.
Just wait for a minute. Um, it's which question you are asking? 12th. Yeah, it can be changed. So what will be your answer? Like like. Yes, Pallavi, what will be your answer like in this question? I think you told me to change the answer, right?
No, sir. No, sir. Don't change it. Sir, it's semi-clustered.
Okay. So here the concept of which has human beings as center is called. So what is that concept? I think you know this. It's from which chapter?
Sir, it's humanism.
Okay. So it's from which chapter? But
Sir, human geography, nature and scope.
yes. Now this one, which one of the following scholars introduced the concept of human
Dr.
development?
Mahbub ul Haq.
Yes, definitely. Now, which of the following is not a medieval town? Uh,
नहीं change हुई.
yeah, are you able to answer it, Pallavi? Which of the following is not a medieval town?
Sir, Madurai.
Okay. Now, you only have, I think, 16. It's 16 question. So, intensive subsistence agriculture is largely practiced in densely populated regions of. So, what will be the answer here that you want to mark? Or you can skip it because you have choices. These are 24. So, you have choices. So, you can skip it if you are not able to find it, but you have to solve it, right? If you can solve it.
सर इट्स मॉनसून एशिया। नहीं 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 नहीं
Okay.
नहीं नहीं नो सर नो सर नो सर सर वो तो सर इंटेंसिव सबसे डेंस है। इट्स सबसे डेंस एग्रीकल्चर इज लार्जली प्रैक्टिस इन। सर इसमें सर लीव दिस क्वेश्चन।
Okay. Yeah, so this one, the northwestern India and Deccan Plateau are deficient in, right? So what will be your answer?
नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न सर नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न इंडिया मतलब सर कौन कौन सी जगह सर प्लीज आप जी से बता सकते हो।
It's like Rajasthan, UP, and all the adjoining states like UP,
सर
Rajasthan,
मॉइस्ट
Western
एयर।
Bihar. So are you sure that it's moisture?
एंड सर डिकन प्लेटू की जगह सर डिकन प्लेटू सर कौन कौन सी जगह मतलब सर।
Okay, so just wait for a minute. So if you will see the Deccan Plateau, so it stands over the 8 Indian states like Telangana. If you will go down the map, so it's Telangana, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu, which will be forming a Deccan Plateau, right? In which these
यस सर
particular states.
सर मॉइस्ट एरिया सर मॉइस्ट एयर कर दीजिए।
Okay. So here you are at 18th question. So which is not a key area of human development. So So what? Firstly, you have to think about the key areas of human development in that chapter. Like if we have gone, we have studied the key features of human development. So which is not? You have to tell which is not the key area. I think you all know. You know that education, good health, and
सर
these all
एजुकेशन
are
था
three.
सर हेल्थ और सर एजुकेशन रिसोर्सेज और सर नहीं।
These all three are the key areas of human development, right?
सर इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट।
Yeah, it's not. So this one, that traditional dash in rural areas is done by using surface storage bodies like lakes, ponds, irrigation tanks. So what is the right answer here? I think you know this answer because
सर रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग।
okay. Now this one, that which one of the following figures represents the working age group of the population?
15
Right,
to 65।
15 to 65. Right, you are telling this now, this one now, 15
सर
to
वेट
65.
सर इट्स फ्रॉम सर पॉपुलेशन चैप्टर।
Yes, I think so. Yes. Or I think it's from the human development. No, it's not from the human development. So it's from the India's population, I think. India population chapter. Or So Pallavi, what do you think that what will be the right answer here, or any other any option that you want to mark in this question, or you want to skip it out? So
ओ यार, sir, it's 15 to 64 years.
okay, so option A, I am marking option A.
Yes, sir.
Now these you have attempted 20 questions. Now if you find that your previous questions, if you have any mistakes you have done in previous question, then you can select these from these questions. Like if you know that the
आंवला
previous,
टमाटर खट्टा और नमक कम लेना चाहिए।
or still you want to answer these questions like you have attempted 20, so you can answer this. I will not mark it out because you have to attempt only 20.
कम हो सकता है।
So here you have to do this. The term which
सर
is
अगर
used.
मैं सर इनमें से सर किसी भी आंसर के साथ सही आंसर देती तो फिर सर आप वो मार्क नहीं करोगे?
Yeah, I will mark it, but you have to from the previous question. If you have any doubt, if you have done any mistake in previous question, you tell me that question. I will
सर जो
remove
प्रीवियस
your
सर
job.
अभी जो हमने सर इसके पहले करा था सर 20 वाला क्वेश्चन सर उसको स्किप करके सर आई एम गिविंग सर ये वाला आंसर का सर मैं वो दे रही हूँ।
Okay, just wait. I am removing your options from this one. So I am
यस सर।
clearing it. Just wait. So So you are giving this question now, the term which
यस
is
सर।
used to describe factors that attract people to a country, region, religion, organization, etc. is known as. So what is that term according to you, which is used to describe factors? Remember that when I was teaching you the migration chapter, I taught you push and pull factors, right? So push factor was that you know very well that what is push factor and what is pull factor.
नहीं करेगा। क्या करना है फिर? डायरी करिए ब्लैक वाली। बेच देते थे वो वाली ब्लैक नहीं है वो वाली। हाँ ये मस्त है जल्दी से।
सर इट्स पुल फैक्ट।
Okay, so it's pull factor. I'm marking it this. So, do you want to attempt any further questions from the choices, or you
यस
still
सर।
want? So, this one development means I will not mark it out because you have attempted all 20 questions. So,
सर प्लीज सर मेरे को सर एक बार वो वाले चेक करवा दीजिए सर। सर मेरे को सर ऐसे याद नहीं सर मेरे को कौन सा वो करना है।
which one? I'm showing you the question palette. So you have to which one? Because I don't know. You have not. Have you written it somewhere? At which question you have doubt?
नो सर। सर जैसे सर ये जो सब ब्लू ब्लू मार्क हो रहे हैं सर इनमें से का क्या मतलब है सर ये सही है कि क्या है?
Okay, just wait. You have left these questions now. You have not done. You have not attempted
ओके
these
ओके
questions.
सर।
खुशी
So still you have answered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I think you still have marks 17 questions. You
सर शो मी
three.
सर 17 एंड 18 19 सर 17 18 19 क्वेश्चन सर प्लीज शो मी।
Okay, just wait. So this one you are saying. So development means you have to mark out. Uh,
सर इट डेवलपमेंट मींस क्वालिटेटिव चेंज वैल्यू पॉजिटिव यस सर ए।
okay. Now this one. Now the area in which wholesale and manufacturing activities are carried out is classified as. What is that area in which wholesale and manufacturing activities are carried out? So how can we classify it?
पापा
Like
के साथ में जा गुरु की माया दुकान से लाई हूँ मेरे कटोरी में से
सारी
ये वाला करना
इयरिंग
ये 700 के ऊपर क्यों नहीं किया
So what will be your option here? What?
Sir, Central Business District.
Okay. So are you sure that I am marking it?
Yes, sir.
Now this one, that which sector of the economy removes or harvests products directly from the earth in order to extract raw materials or food? So what will be the right answer here? That.
Sir, it's cotton.
Do you want to leave this question?
Yes, sir.
Because
Leave this question.
okay. So now, no, your all the choices have been completed. So you have attempted only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Yes, you have attempted all the 20 questions. And yeah, in seventh question, you have not attempted seventh question. And you have not attempted 16th question, and you have not attempted 20 as well, and uh, and 24 as well. Okay, so now we will move to the section B as soon as possible because your timer is going on. So this is the instructions for this. You have to outline on the given world map. Right? You have to identify the location with the help of specified information. So what will be the right answer here? Pallavi, you have to choose the country with the largest geographical area on the African continent marked as A. Have you gone through the maps?
सर ए मेरे को सर दिखाई नहीं दे रहा सर इधर डी
You
दिखाई दे
can
रहा
zoom
है
out. If I think you can zoom it or check.
सर इट्स डी ई आर सर वेयर इज ए
It's A. It's
यस सर दिख गया सर
yeah. So what will be the option, Pallavi?
द लार्जेस्ट geographical area on the African continent.
Are you able to find out this question or
सर अल्जीरिया
okay? So I'm marking it Algeria. Then we will move to the next. So this one. So which one of the following is a region of commercial grain farming practiced in Europe marked as B? So it's B part that you have to do. What's that region?
सर प्रासिस सर बी
Prairies, right?
यस सर प्रेरीज
Now this one, which one of the following is a region of North America marked as C? Here, where is C? Yeah, so practicing subsistence gathering. So
सर
what will
वेयर
be
इज
the
सी
right option here? You can zoom it and then check. I think you will find out. Yeah, this one is C.
ऑप्शंस क्या है सर सर इट्स नॉट कनाडा
Okay. So here this one, which one of the following terminal stations marked as D? D1, connect Trans-Canadian Railway. So what way is the right option here?
Sir, it's New York and San Francisco.
Okay. Then this one, which one of the following marked as E is the most heavily used inland waterway of the world? Pallavi, you have to attempt only 5 questions, I think, here. So,
So leave this.
no, this one is fifth, so you can't leave it.
Okay, okay, okay.
चलो छोड़ यार आगे फोन कर तो नहीं अरे इंडो शूटिंग पैकेज नहीं लेगा फोन कर कहाँ रखी हो ये ना
बोल का वाटरवे शायद।
Yeah, are you able to do this question to find out or
Sir, wait.
I think this map question, I think I'm not, just let me confirm whether this is from your term one, this map question, uh, or from term two, I think they have given. So just let me check whether it's from term one, na Pallavi? Uh,
Yes, sir.
okay,
Sir, it's Rhine waterways. Sir, C.
okay. So I'm marking it. Then yeah, so you have attempted section B map, then you have to go through textbook section B textbook. So here there are 19 questions and you have to attempt only 15 questions from this. So just
सर इस वाले
read
सेक्शन को सर अभी छोड़ दें।
which sections,
सर सेक्शन बी।
but this is the whole exam that we are attempting it na. So if we leave this, we are not able to see the score as a whole. So I think you have to
सर
do
बट
all.
मेरे को तो इसमें से ज्यादातर वो होता है।
I think you still have only some questions, like you have to attempt any three from this database, and from graph you also have to attempt three, and from section C you have to attempt only four. So still we have to attempt only 15 plus 4, 19
ओके
plus
सर,
3,
ओके सर
21
स्टार्ट।
plus
ओके ओके।
only 24 questions. So we can do it, I think. If Are you able to do this or not? Just let me confirm whether, or should I skip? Should I pause here for
यस
today?
सर आई कैन।
Okay. So here the first question, that consider the following statements and choose the correct option for the same. So go through these statements, read this and try to understand what they are trying to say. It's from, I think, from which chapter it is. Pallavi.
सर इट्स वर्ल्ड पॉपुलेशन।
Yeah, definitely. So here they are saying that high proportion of young population would mean that the region has a low birth rate, right? So, and second one, a large size of population in the age group above 60 years indicates a large working population. So you have to see that which statement is correct. Yeah, you can take your time, but please be remember about the timer also, because in exam you also have the same thing. You only have the 90 minutes, just like the same exam that we are doing it. So that's why I was thinking that we will do the preparation, right, before the exam, so that you, yeah, Pallavi, are you able to answer it, or
So second,
this one?
no sir, wait.
Okay. Because I also no not I was also not able to share you this question paper because it is an online mock test. So here we have to attempt this test. It's live, right? So and we will also check the scores where we are lacking. So that's why I am saying it. We have to do it as a whole so that we will mainly work on the weakness, right? Because I have to revise you all the chapters once again because I have also prepared PPTs for all the chapters. So I will let you know about the explain you. Uh, so tomorrow is my exam. So after my exam will be over in from 28 to 30 I am free because I don't have my exams. And after 30, if you I think you are your board exams from which date, Pallavi? From,
3.
yeah, it's from 3. So from I think in between the board exams you are not able to attend classes because I think the schedule
No
you,
sir, no sir.
yeah. So till 2 I have to completely revise you. In one day I will revise you all the notes and we will also we have solved this online test. So we will also work on the weakness, right? Where you are lacking or
Sir, it's options C.
option B or C? Should I mark option B or option C?
Sir, C.
Okay. So this one, which one of is not related to the watershed development projects? So here you are seeing that direct questions are coming. So
Sir,
some
C.
questions are assertion reason based. Yes.
One more, sir.
Okay. Then next is you have to consider the following statement and choose the correct option for the same. So do this.
Sir, only first is correct.
Okay. So moving to the next question, that Punjab, Haryana and Western UP more than 85% of their net zone area is under. So what is that? What is the option?
Irrigation.
It's C or just wait.
Sir, C.
What is the answer here?
Sir, C.
Okay. So the sixth question, which of the following is an example of common property resources, right? So what is the right option here?
Sir. Yes, sir. Which are the following not commonly property resource, common property resource?
What should be your option here?
Sir,
Like
D.
D, hotel. Okay. Now this one, which of these products are obtained from gathering activity but are market oriented and have become commercial, right? So what is that? What is the option here? Which of these products are obtained from gathering activity and but are market oriented and have become commercial?
Sir, C.
It's C. Okay. Then this one, which group of states is highly affected by the concentration of fluoride in groundwater resources? I think you know it, the answer is.
Sir, Uttar Pradesh.
Okay, so I'm marking it Uttar Pradesh. Now, ninth one, you have to consider the statement. Should I leave this or you have to
Yes,
go
sir.
on?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then because you have choices here. So, this 10th one, which of the following is not included in factors affecting the distribution of population? So, what will be the right option here? Yeah, Pallavi, what would be the right answer here according to you? So,
Sir, political stability. नहीं,
okay,
sir, sir, government policies.
okay. So I'm marking it the government policies. Now, 11th question. So, human beings interact with their physical environment with the help of, I think you know this.
Technology. सर पीछे वाले का आंसर सर चेंज कर दीजिए उसको सर पॉलिटिकल से स्टेबिलिटी कर दीजिए
Okay, wait. So, it's 10th question. So, political stability.
यस सर
Okay. So, here,
एंड इसका टेक्नोलॉजी सर सी
okay. Then, the 12th question. Can I skip this or you have to attempt this question?
सर स्किप दिस सर हाउ मेनी आई हैव टू स्किप सर 15
Yeah, these are 19 questions. So, you can skip. You have attempted 12 questions. So, you can see. You can skip more than 3 questions. You can skip, I think.
ओके ओके सर लीव
Two
दिस
questions. Know this one. According to the UNO, how many countries have a sex ratio favorable for females? So what will be the right answer
सर
here? And you can see here that section C is mandatory. You have to attempt. There are no choices. Section C is graph based, and section C also data. So this section is mandatory. What is the right option here, Pallavi?
सर वेट
Or can I skip this part?
सर वेट सर 139। सर लग भी जाता है सर 139 है।
Yeah, so can I mark it finally?
यस सर।
Okay. So this is 14th question. So do you want to skip this or do this?
सर डू दिस।
Okay. So there are two statements and you have to choose the correct option. First is ancient towns were developed by king and sultans of India. And second one is medieval towns were developed by the ancient kings, right? So here, if you will go through the chapter like human settlement, so there you will find out the towns, like the types of towns. So have you studied the ancient and medieval towns,
यस
Pallavi?
सर।
So here now you have to answer me this question.
सर इट्स डी।
It's D.
यस सर।
Okay. So here only first one question that you want to answer, 15th question. Which state has the highest per capita income in India according to 2019? Yeah, Pallavi, so what will be the option that you want to mark it out here? So,
सर वेट। सर गोवा।
okay, so I'm marking it Goa. And then,
ओके सर।
do you want to attempt further questions or still you want to see it? Because you have attempted all 15 questions.
नो सर लीव इट।
Okay, so now we will move to the section C mandatory. Here you have to, it's source-based questions. So just read this paragraph and you have to attempt all the attempt any four questions from this section. These are from 49 to 52, right? So please read this paragraph. Just wait. Firstly, read this and try to answer question one, right? So if you have read this, then tell me. I will scroll down and then you have to tell me the answer of this question. Have you read it, Pallavi?
यस सर।
Okay, so I am scrolling down towards the question. So then you have to read this and mark it out.
सर इट्स पोचिंग।
Yeah, so I'm marking it poaching. Then we will move to the next question. Complete the sentence. You have to complete it. Coastal residents continue to catch fish despite. You only have 30 minutes left, I think, 31
सर
minutes
बी।
left. It's B.
यस सर।
Technological advancements that have modernized fishing. Okay. Then moving to the third, read the conversation among students with respect to, you have to read this question and do this. Do you want to skip this or do
यस सर।
skip this?
यस सर।
Okay. Then this one, in the given map, the regions marked in dark indicate which of the following option. Zoom it out and the regions that are marked in dark. So which thing they are indicating? Uh, what are these areas? I told you from the primary activities you have to remember these maps. There are different more maps in that particular chapter, world maps. So I think you have gone through that. So here, uh, which option you
Sir
are
B.
going to select?
Sir
Okay,
B.
areas of subsistence gathering.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just let me check how many questions you have attempted. So from this portion, so you have attempted 4 out of 4. I think you have attempted all the questions, Pallavi, from this section.
सर थर्ड
So do
वाला सर
you
छोड़ा है सर.
wait? So here you have skipped third portion, no?
Yes, sir.
So these are total 4 questions or 5 questions? Just
सर
wait.
ये टोटल सर 4 क्वेश्चंस थे सर, मैंने अटेम्प्ट सर 3 करे हैं.
Okay. So here you have to attempt any 3 questions from this section, from 53 to 56, right? So here you have to study. This is, I think, another section we were section C graph, right? So you have to study the given graph and answer the questions. The 10 most populous countries of the world contribute about dash of the world's population. I think it's from the book. If you have gone through in starting, you will found the answer in starting of the chapter. In which chapter it is, Pallavi? In India or world population? I think you know the answer.
सर
Yes.
सर इट्स ए 60%.
Okay. So moving to the next question, like which of the following refers to population distribution? Now you have to mark it as well. So what is population distribution? So do you want to skip it or do this? First of all, you know the meaning of population distribution. What was that?
सर पॉपुलेशन को सर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना सर अलग अलग जगह पर.
Yes, definitely. So in these options, which of you, which
सर सी,
from
द वे पीपल आर स्प्रेड ओवर द अर्थ सरफेस.
yeah. So then this one that 90 you have to attempt only 3. I think you have done it. Just wait. Or you have attempted only 2. You have attempted all the 3. I think. So we will leave
सर
it.
इट्स 10 सर ए.
So you don't want to attempt because I think you have to attempt only 3. Just wait. Huh. So I'm leaving this question. So this one I think this one also I think we have to leave this. Just wait. So now moving to the last section of this exam. After the exam will be over, so we will also you have to go through this and you have to attempt any three questions from this section. Like these are from 57 to 60, right? So read this data first and then try to answer. So you are seeing the data from which chapter? Do you know
Right.
the chapter name from which we are seeing this data? We are going through, we have been going through population, India population, right? So where we have studied, Pallavi, if you want to add, it's population growth now that we
Yes,
have
sir.
studied. So it's the data of the population growth, like
Yes, sir.
in the detail. So you have to answer the first question. The population of India has been increasing steadily since. So at from which year?
So wait.
Because these are database question, I know that these take a lot of time because we have to understand it.
Sir, 1911. Sir, A.
अरे लाओ मेरे पास में जाओ एक बढ़िया तो
अभी लेके आना बस। Yeah, so
No,
it's
no, 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 no,
1911
no, no. Sir, it's
now.
sir, wait.
In the last, you were at second question now.
Yes,
So
sir.
you have to attempt only three from this. So should I go to the previous one or move to the next one?
Sir, please go for previous one.
Okay. So yeah. So at first you have opted 1911. So
Sir,
what we
wait,
do?
wait.
I think it should be. I will not tell the answer here. From which year the population of India has been increasing steadily, like continuously. Steadily means to say जो fastly increase हो रही है population, बहुत तेजी से बढ़ रही है. तो कौन से year में आपकी बहुत तेजी से population बढ़ रही है? If you check it out.
सर मतलब सर इन चारों ब्लॉक में से सर कौन से एक ब्लॉक है सर जिसमें से हम बता सकते हैं कि सर जिसमें से पॉपुलेशन सबसे ज्यादा बढ़ी है?
Yes, definitely. तो सबसे ज्यादा आपकी population कौन से decade में बढ़ रही है?
सर 49 सर 1911 में ही है.
Yeah, it's 49.2. Should
यस
I?
सर.
Oh, okay. So now this one. Do you want to leave or do this? The natural growth rate in the year was what you understand about natural growth rate. So what is natural growth rate? I think you know.
यस सर.
See the formula of natural growth rate or the
सर
definition.
ए. सर इट्स ए.
Difference between the mortality and fertility rates. Yeah. So in the last 2 decades, that is the dash, the rate of growth started declining gradually. So here, do you want to skip it out because you have two choices left?
सर डी.
Yeah. So are you opting finally or moving to the
यस सर.
choices?
सर ऑप्टिंग सर ऑप्टिंग.
Okay, just see this if you find it easier. Or should I just so finally please confirm me, Pallavi, do you want to submit it or
सर वेट सर. सर इंक्रीज इन. सर लीव इट. So leave this question.
Okay, so after that, we have completed this paper. So I'm going to submit it. Can I submit it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So are you sure if you want to just change the responses or something
No,
else?
no, no, sir.
You have opted all the questions. You have not left any go of the question. So I'm going to submit it and we will check the, because you have done half hour earlier, right? 20 minutes earlier. So I'm going to submit it. So we are submitting it and we will check the responses and where we have done mistakes like. So we can analyze it. So here, what are the correct questions? Are you seeing it, Pallavi? 50% you have done correct, and 20 are incorrect, and 5 unanswered. 5 questions you have unanswered. Your 5 questions. So correct questions. Your correct questions are 11, and your incorrect questions are 9. Your unanswered 0 and ignored 1. So your incorrect questions are 9, Pallavi. In section A, are you seeing it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And in section B, I think you have prepared well this time because in last time you have little bit confused in the paper. So in the section B, world map questions, you are also doing it well. Have you gone through the maps?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because you have done all the questions correctly, map. So all the 3 questions are right here. And no, incorrect is 2. 2 incorrect. So we have to focus on the math. Now in textbook question, you have corrected 5 or incorrect 7 questions. 7 questions are wrong here and you have unanswered 3. 3 questions that you have unanswered. And in the section C, you have corrected 3 and unanswered 1. And section C graph also, you have corrected 2 questions. And section C data here, you attempted first question. So here your detailed performance. Uh, so in the section A, in the first question, that is wrong. So what will be our first question? I'm just showing you. So yes, these are correct, these are incorrect, and these are unanswered, and these are ignored. So there are total 24 questions in this paper, I think. So Pallavi, I will do one thing. Today I am closing this at this particular point of time. So I will check out your performance, like the solutions. I will share you the solutions in which questions you are lacking. So according to what do you think about this? Are you able to solve now the question in exam, or still you are facing issues in any of the chapters, like in first chapter, human geography, nature and
सर
sport?
एक्चुअली सर सर सी
Yeah,
सर आई एम थिंकिंग कि सर सर देखिए सर मेरी ज्योग्राफी तो सर ऑब्वियसली सर कंप्लीट हो गई है एंड सर बहुत अच्छी सर प्रैक्टिस भी हो गई है तो फिर सर
yeah,
और सर मेरे
definitely.
पास ज्योग्राफी के लिए एटलीस्ट 7 8 9 सर 1 डे तो है तो फिर सर मैं पूरे मतलब सर एटलीस्ट सर 2 दिन ही है
Do
सर
you
क्योंकि सर
also
सेमी
want?
मेरा
Do you also want to give exam before your 8 December in 7? I'm free in 7.
नो
So if
नो
you
नो
want,
सर अगर सर सही नहीं गया तो फिर सर मेरा सर मैं मतलब सर फिर ढंग से पेपर नहीं दे पाऊंगी सर नहीं नहीं सर
or you want to revise only on 7? If I will
यस
go
सर सर
revise
आई
you.
सर रिवाइज ही करूंगी यस सर मैं
Yeah, definitely. So I will revise you the all the chapters, short notes before on 7 because we can't do in deep. So I am also thinking that I will revise you and 9 to 9 from 1 to 8 because you have board exams continuously. So
यस
I
सर
am also can't take class in between your board exams. So before one day, I will try to revise you all the chapters notes. Until that, I think you now you are have gone attempting the paper. You will get confidence, right? You
यस
got the
सर
confidence to solve. So because the same question, you will get the same questions here in the exam. Mm. So you have to improve all once more. I suggest you to read all the chapters once again tomorrow today. Will you go through the chapters once again today?
सर व्हाट?
Will you again revise the chapters today?
यस सर, बिकॉज सर मैंने ओनली सर वन बुक के सर ढंग से करवाए हैं सर, एक बुक तो सर अभी मैंने सर खोली नहीं है, तो फिर सर मेरे को उसके जितने भी चैप्टर सर वो रिवाइज करने
But I
पड़ेंगे।
also want to take your map session where I will revise you the world maps on 30 if you are free, or 28 on 28 if you are free, Pallavi. 28, 29, 30. So one
यस
hour.
सर।
Yeah. So we will do the map worksheets and we will also go through these chapters once again. So your
ठीक है।
yeah, just wait for a minute.
हाँ, मैं वो
So
देख
we
लूंगा।
in human geography, nature and scope, you have any issues? Tell me. I am
मालूम है
asking
सब
the
नो
बताया।
timeline.
सर।
In the world population distribution, density and growth, you have issues
वो
that I want to revise.
तो कितने बजे तक जाओगे चलोगे? 5 बजे चले?
In the third one, human development, do you have any issues in
नो
that
सर।
particular chapter? Okay. So now in the
ठीक है,
primary activities,
है ना? ठीक।
लेमिनेशन करवा दो, फोटो खींच के ले।
do you have any issues?
नो
Uh,
सर।
in the population, India population, in the
सर मेरे को
migration.
सर इशू सर किसी में भी नहीं है सर, बट सर मेरे को बस ओनली सर रिवाइज करने हैं।
Yeah, so I will revise you once again before 30 and I will share you your performance or the solution where you were lacking on your WhatsApp. So, but you
यस
have
सर।
attempted very well. I think you have prepared very well for exam. So, uh, yeah, so best of luck and prepare for
थैंक यू
geography.
सर।
Okay, then I'm leaving, so you can continue. Okay.
तुम गर्म पानी क्यों किया तुमने?
गर्म पानी किया लेकिन नहाने के लिए, सर तो ठंडे से धोती हूँ।
थैंक यू सर।
ओए